Some investors and analysts believe Tesla stock is expensive, and such concerns are not entirely unfounded. In Nio stock news, investors are now turning to Nio, a company that was founded in 2014 but has already sold 5 production vehicles. Let's look at why Nio stock is better than Tesla stock in future ROI. Tesla below the belt. Regarding market capitalization, Tesla stocks rank among the top 10 largest corporations in the world. Even if its share price has significantly decreased since its previous high at the beginning of 2022, it is still pretty high. In contrast, Nio stock is considerably more reasonably priced, less than half what it was in November 2021. Tesla stock is perceived as being overpriced by some investors and experts, and those worries are not entirely unwarranted. Tesla's price-to-earnings ratio is over 150, after all. In contrast, Ford and General Motors had ratios of 6.20 and 3.6, respectively. Investors are now turning to Nio, a business created in 2014 but has already sold 5 production vehicles, resulting from this. It isn't easy to compare one to the other because Tesla, on the other hand, has achieved profitability. Due to TSLA's high price, we cannot anticipate a price increase of 3 or even twice in the upcoming year. But analysts predict that the price of Nio stock will triple. That sounds realistic at the current price of less than $20. Neither this channel nor its content should be used as financial advice or information for investing or planning. Do your research before making any investments. Even though Tesla is ranked among the top 10 most significant operations, Nio increased production more quickly than Tesla. We'll look into this shortly. Tesla stock analysis. Tesla doesn't require as much of an introduction to American investors. After years of losses, Tesla has recently experienced regular profits. It recorded a profit for Q4 2021 of $2.32 billion, an increase of more than 750% from the previous year, year over year. This was also the company's second consecutive quarter of double-digit net profit. Its price-to-earnings ratio has been declining every quarter, even though it is still high. Subscribe to this channel if you've not done so yet, because if you don't, it'll be difficult for you to catch us again. However, Tesla stock is expensive, just like Nio stock. The mood of investors is also unfavorable. Tesla's stock price is also expected to rise by a median amount of more than 30%. Although it sounds little compared to Nio, that would result in a more than $200 gain in the share price of Tesla. However, Nio stock can provide a more significant gain due to its low price. Why Nio is better than Tesla? Nio increased production faster than Tesla, producing over 90,000 vehicles in 2021, just its 6th full year of operation. Some investors have purchased shares due to analysts' expectations for its stock's price to increase. Nio's pilot outperforms Tesla's auto-driving technology in terms of performance and unit cost. The semi-autonomous technology was formally made available by Nio in October. Nothing in this video should be interpreted as professional financial advice. Do you research constantly before investing? Though increased production by producing over 90,000 vehicles in 2021, Nio won't be able to compete with Tesla in the United States until at least 2025. We'll discuss that soon. Customers in China will discover that Nio's assisted driving solution is more appropriate for Chinese traffic circumstances when they contrast Nio to Tesla. According to CEO William Li, the company tested its vehicles throughout 30 major cities for more than 300,000 kilometers, 186,400 miles. With the map data gathered, Nio's self-driving electric vehicles, EVs, will perform better than Tesla's Navigate on autopilot. Chinese consumers might elect to support their home brand by choosing Nio over Tesla. Although there is work to do before Nio can genuinely compete with Tesla, it may be able to do so. While Nio only sold slightly more than 10,000 cars in December 2021, Tesla sold over 70,000. According to that metric, BYD sold more than 92,000 vehicles in a single month instead of Nio, and was Tesla's top rival in China. Trading is something that is not for everyone, but everyone can try once to be successful. Anna Jasani. In 2003, the same year that Tesla was founded, BYD Auto was also established. Nio has increased in the meantime. Thus, it's essential to consider this possibility when comparing Nio stock with Tesla, because it might eventually be able to compete with the latter. However, it won't do so in the United States until 2025, when we might start seeing Nio automobiles offered there. Americans supporting each other. The only objective of our content is to provide information. Don't mistake any of our data or resources for legal, tax, or financial investment advice. Always make an effort to conduct your study before making any investments. Who would have believed Nio could have ever stood a chance against Tesla stock? Nio earnings are so up that analysts think Nio may be better than Tesla in years to come. Let's see why Nio stock is going up in our video. Reason why Nio stock keeps going up recently. Nio stock earnings update.